Hi guys, so today we are looking at how to solve for some angles given parallel lines and a transversal. So here I have a diagram with parallel lines denoted by the two arrows in the middle of the two lines, and then I have transversals M and I have transversal N. Notice I labeled a bunch of the angles. These are all given to you. So right now I know that these two are parallel, and I know that these are two different transversals. So when I'm approaching a problem such as, I'll show you this, where I'm trying to solve for maybe x or the measure of the angles, and maybe for y and the measure of the angles, I'm going to basically follow these steps. You can pause the video to copy these down, but I like to look at it this way. Are the angles on parallel lines? So for us, we have parallel lines, so that's great. Are there angles along the same transversal? So 2x plus 16 and 3x plus 2, it follows line or transversal M. So yes, they are. And so we go to the next question. Are the angles acute or obtuse? So this angle, represented by 2x plus 16, it's obtuse. 3x plus 2 is also obtuse. So we go to the next question. If they're both acute or obtuse, so they're both obtuse, then they are congruent to each other. So what I can do is, because they're congruent to each other, is I can set them equal to each other. So I have 2x plus 16. So 2x plus 16 is congruent, so I'm going to put the equal sign, to 3x plus 2. And I can solve from there, subtract 2x on both sides. 16 is equal to 3x minus 2x is x plus 2, subtract 2 on both sides. 14 is equal to x. X is equal to 14. There we go. Now I'm going to trying to figure out what y is, and so I can follow the same thing. Same questions. Are the angles on parallel lines? Yes, they are, because line A and line B are parallel, denoted by those arrows. Are the angles along the same transversal? Yes, they are, because they follow line N or transversal N, so 9y and y plus 2. Are the angles acute or obtuse? So I noticed that this one is obtuse, and this one is acute. And so they are not both acute or obtuse, so this one's, I can't follow this one. So I'm going to go for B instead. If they are different, it's because one is obtuse and one is acute, then they are supplementary. Remember, supplementary means that they add up or sum up to 180 degrees. So I can set up a new equation. I cannot set them equal to each other, so instead I can set up a different equation. 9y plus the quantity y plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees because they're supplementary. So the first angle plus the second angle sum up or add up to 180 degrees. I can solve for it. I can ignore the parentheses. It's 10y plus 2. 10y plus 2 is equal to 180. I subtract 2 on both sides. 10y is equal to 178. Divided by 10 on both sides. Y is equal to, y is equal to 17.8. All right, that's it, guys. I'll see you later.